What's up, guys? We are at an abandoned farmyard. Farmyard, guys. Have a look, it's over there. We're gonna go in now. So we'll see you guys when we're over there. What's that, guys? Ice cream. Alright, guys, we're gonna go inside. Check it out quickly. See what everything say. What the hell? Alright, look at this, guys. Office. What's that, guys? Keyboard. What the hell? A pool table. You know what this is? Insulation. Clay pigeon. Wait. It's on a telephone. Wait. Telephone? Guys, this is insane. Just like this abandoned, what is this, farm office thing? Look at that outside. We gotta be careful though, guys, because of maybe security. That was loud. I don't know. Let's have a look around. Let's have a look, guys. What the fuck? What is this place? Office files. What the hell? No. What is this, guys? What is this, guys? We don't know what this is, guys. Property pre-inspection. What day is this? 2012. Goes back as well. Is it like an office? I don't know. I don't know. What is this, guys? It's very really weird. Got the clay pigeons. Look outside, there's an attic. Guys, what is this? Let us know down in the comments below. What is this, bro? This is so weird. Guys, we do not know what this place is. It's really weird. Carry on, guys. What the hell? No. All the office chairs. What the hell is this? Guys, we don't know what this is. What do you think it is, guys? Leave your comments in below. That's an office. Is it office or something? Farmyard / office. Fuck, that's so loud. Checking it out, guys. More farmyard. Farmyard, maybe? I don't know, man. It's so weird. What the hell? There's like random stuff in here. What do you guys think it is? Comment down below. Look at these desks. There's a washing machine. Look at these fridges. These are like fridge. What is it, guys? Farm store, guys. Look at the ceiling, it's like an office. Blimmin' weird, isn't it, guys? Well, let's carry on. I don't think there's much else, is there? Yeah. But we'll carry on. It's full of pipes. Don't know what that is. It's just a weird sort of like farm yard type thing. Comment down below what you guys think it is. It's just full of junk. Isn't it? It's just junk, isn't it? Guys, this is very like strange. So, huh? Yeah, I know. There's a house there though. We get caught, we get caught. There's an upstairs. What's in there? What is this, guys? What the hell? Guys, what is this? A kitchen? It's like a farm shop, maybe kitchen. I think this is for when they're going to build the new homes here. Look at this, guys. Because look at this. There's like types of flooring.
Oh yeah.
Like different houses.
There's a fucking pressure.
There's a monitor there.
Take that.
A shit monitor. What's in there? Guys, we just heard a noise. No, it's up there. Guys, we're still looking around. Alright, we'll just quickly look up here before anyone sees us. There's some stuff up there. What the flip? What you guys, this is more tiles. Strange, isn't it?
So weird.
Let's have a look over here as well. Oh, yo, this is the part. Here we are. Fridge. You have to open it. It stinks. Guys, this is insane. Just look at the graffiti. Upstairs as well. What the hell no? It's an upstairs. Oh, this is like someone's hideout. What the flip? Oh, nah, what is this? Mate, this is like some sesh spot for someone. Yeah, guys, this is like a den for someone. Look at it. Bro, have you seen this? What is this, bro? This is like someone's den.
This is definitely new, man.
Yeah, it's a den. Look at it. Guys, what the hell? There's a couch in here? Seats, there's a lighter. Yeah, look, see. Someone's smoking. Because look, they can open the window. Look out there. Oh, there's a wasp. What the hell is this? Look at all the graffiti, guys. This is very weird. Yeah, bathroom. This is cool. guys are enjoying the video, remember to smash the like button. And yeah, it's a pretty cool place. Some like upstairs. What do you think this place should be? I feel like it's gonna be a farmhouse and maybe a showroom. They started to build one of the houses and then they failed it. So I don't know. There's like, what's all this? Plugs, dispenser, and whatnot. Bathroom's pretty cool, isn't it? Good light. Yeah, toilet. Oh, right, toilet, mate. Look at that toilet. It's nice disgusting. Bro, that toilet, I mean, that's disgusting, guys. Bro, did you see it? Nasty. Quite a weird place. Microwave, canteen. Canteen. This is the canteen. Look, here we go. That's what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like one of them houses, but never ever. I'll probably blow that up because that's got the name of this place. But this is pretty much nearly it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Huh?
It's like a garden.
Yeah, site office. Oh my god! What the fuck is that smell? Open that door, keep that door open, yeah. Wait, can you put something there? Put something there. What the fuck is that smell? Guys, I don't know what the smell is. Look at all the keys. All the keys. Fridge. Here we go. Look at this. Got plans for the whole site. Calculator. Look, a printer. Pretty nice printer.
Take that, put that on.
Guys, we could be security. Look at that. Any visitor. Yes, bro. Hold the camera, bro. Guys, we're gonna become one of
Is it even on? But why is it not on?
It's on, yeah. Boys, get up. We are now part of the gang. I'm joking, guys, I'm not gonna steal this. Don't know where this skanky thing. But these are all the plans for the site. Looks like they're on there. Look at these, all the everything. Plans.
There's water.
Oh, that's nasty. That's what stinks. That's all the stuff. This is nasty. What's this? What are you saying?
That's empty. Let's get on here.
Alright guys, shut that door behind you. Right, that's that office done. Nothing in there. It's a pretty cool spot, guys. What do you reckon now? Done the upstairs. We haven't done that yet.
I don't trust that floor there, buddy.
What's all these ice cream things? Let's go and have a look at all the stuff up there. Might as well, because we've... Or we could go and have a look up there. That little attic space. Wait, I can put my camera up.
That's all.
up in there. If someone comes, we can just fucking boot it that way. Let's have a look. What is that? Good. Guys, I'm gonna put you up there because I'm not getting up. Guys, can you see anything? Guys, look at this space, bro. It's huge. But there's no history on the site of what it used to be. We're guessing it's going to be. What do you think? It's going to be a farm or something?
Farmhouse.
We think it's a farm, guys. So look at all this, just construction stuff. Chairs, everything's construction. There you go. Look at that. Any show home? There is no show homes here, my friend. Never got built. Look at all this stuff. Right, let's get the camera on. Let's get the light out. I got a bright one. House. Guys, we have to be quiet. I don't know where my blooming torches, guys. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Right, here we go. All this stuff, nails, everything getting ready for the construction. And they never did the construction, did they? Gas bottles in there, heaters, everything for the construction. It's very hot there. The tape, everything's just still in here. Everything's still in these containers. Not much in that one. Huh? Yeah. All these bricks. Bricks, guys. It's crazy. Got one more building. So let's get it. There you go, guys. I'll try and put you in there. What do you guys see? That's it, guys. That's in there. We don't know where to go now, so we'll just keep looking. There's all the bricks for the houses. The houses never got built. They must have never built them. They must have, I don't know what they would do. But look at that. All the construction equipment, everything. What we'll do now, guys, we'll go to, well, we've done all of this now. So what we'll do now is go and have a look over there at that house. See what the house says. See what it's looking like. But yeah, it's weird. Ice cream thing there. Oh, yeah. I need an ice cream right now. It's very hot today, guys. Have a look in here. Shit. Alright, guys. This is the house. This is the house. What the flip is this? Flipping heck. This place is about to fall. It's just empty, I think, guys. It's just a house. Yeah, nothing here. Guess this is what they were trying to build it into. Like some type of house. Well, I think that's going to be an end of this explore, guys. Fucking hell.
Roofs.
Let's get out of this one. Well, that says everything, guys. So, well, I don't know what else to show you guys. So, remember to like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. Boom.